Good morning, students. Now we discussed about types of forces. There are mainly two types of forces, that is contact and non-contact forces. So first we discussed about contact forces, as the name is indicating that when the two objects are in direct contact with each other are called contact forces. Means the objects are touching directly with hand, with feet, or indirectly through another objects like a stick, like a string or a rope, but they are in contact, are called contact forces. For example, here we see that a man is holding a handbag. So the bag and the hand are in direct contact with each other, and which type of force is applying here is the force of the muscles of hand. So we can say that muscular force is an example of contact force. There are so many other examples of muscular forces, like animals. Some animals use their muscular force to drag the heavy loads. For example, here you can see an elephant is pulling a log of wood with the help of a string or a rope. So it is also an example of muscular force, or elephant and log are in direct contact with the help of rope. So it is an example of contact force. Similarly, hockey players, cricket players uses sticks and bat respectively to hit a ball, while a football player and basketball player use feet and hand to hit a ball. So these are the examples of muscular forces and contact forces. Now, next term is friction. Frictional force is also an example of contact force. Frictional force is a force which always acts opposite to the direction of the motion. Right? If we are moving in right direction, then in our feet an opposite force comes down which opposes our motion. That is called frictional force. For example, if we are rolling a ball, the ball comes to stop after some time because an opposite force which come to the surface opposes the motion and stop it. Similarly, if we pedal a cycle to make it move, but when we stop paddling, the cycle stop after moving a small distance. Have you ever thought, why did the cycle stop when the force was already provided by paddling? So this is because of frictional force which comes in contact with the tires and opposes the motion of tire. That's why our cycle comes to rest after some time. So these are the examples of contact forces, muscular force and frictional force. Non-contact forces. Non-contact force are the forces in which objects are not in direct contact with each other, or even without touching, the force comes to play. For example, magnetic force. You know very well that when same poles come closer, they repel each other and opposite poles attract each other. Here you can see in the picture that when we bring the two magnets with opposite poles, then they come closer and attract each other, and when same poles come closer, then they move away and repel each other. So here you can see that the objects are not in contact, so it is an example of non-contact force. Similarly, gravitational force, you know very well, it is the force of attraction due to which each and every object moves towards the earth. For example, when children play with ball, when you throw a ball in upward direction, you see that it goes vertically up to maximum height and then comes vertically downward. This is because a force is attracting the ball towards itself, and that is gravitational force. Even the objects are not in contact with each other. Similarly, each and every object, whether it is leaves, whether fruits, come towards the earth. That is gravitational force of attraction. Next example is electrostatic force. Electrostatic force is the force of attraction or repulsion caused due to charged objects or particles. Let us take some examples. When your mother empties a poly bag of pulses into a container, some of the pulses grain get stuck on the polythene packet, and it is difficult to remove it. Why it is happen? This is because the pulses get charged. When the pulses comes down, a charge will develop, due to which some grains particles will stuck into the polythene bag because of opposite charge created in both of them. Similarly, when we come closer to a television screen and we are wearing synthetic clothes, we see that it is heavily attracted by the television screen. The cloth stuck to the television screen. This is because television screen while working is heavily negatively charged, and the heavily negatively charged the screen attracts the neutral clothes. So these are the three examples of non-contact forces: magnetic force, gravitational force, and electrostatic force. So I hope you now understand the contact force and non-contact forces.